Namaste all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn 15th chapter, that is area. To find area of various quadrilaterals. Before that we will revise our previous knowledge. You know that area of a square is square of side. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Then area of right angled triangle is equal to 1/2 into product of sides making right angle. Area of triangle, it is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, so after revising the previous knowledge, previous formulas of different types of figure, area of different types of figures, now let us turn over the area of a parallelogram. So see this video and do that activity. Hello friends, now let us make parallelogram using folding method, and after that let us learn how to find area of that parallelogram, means the formula of area of parallelogram. First, we know that parallelogram means the quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. So let us make the opposite side which are parallel. Now first side, let's make fold and make first side. So this folding means side 1. Now mold this folding here and match the edges, so that let us make a perpendicular fold. Now after that again mold the folding and make perpendicular to the perpendicular. So we have got here two foldings which are parallel lines. So this folding and this folding are two parallel lines. Let us mark it with a sketch pen. Using sketch pen, let us mark two parallel lines. Now, so two sides of parallelogram are ready. Now remaining two sides. For remaining two sides, let us make a new fold here. So new fold here. That is the third line of parallelogram. Now we have to find the parallel line to this fold. So again make a perpendicular fold using this method. Mold this folding so that edges are matching with each other. Now again find this perpendicular to this perpendicular. So perpendicular line to this perpendicular. So these two lines are parallel to each other. Open the folding and you got two lines here. This line and this line. These two lines are parallel to each other. So another pair of parallel lines. Now here using sketch pen draw that parallel lines. So two parallel lines are here and two parallel lines are here, and this is the parallelogram. Okay, so using scissor cut that parallelogram. Cut this parallelogram using scissor. Give the name to the vertices A, B, C, D. So this is vertex A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C, and this is vertex D. So it is parallelogram A, B, C, D. Now we shall make here a fold which is a height of the parallelogram. So for height, let us mold like this and match the edges. Match this edge with the edge below. Let us find height. So for this, find the height of the parallelogram like this. So using sketch pen, show that height. So it is height, and let us give name E. So AE is the height. Now let us cut that parallelogram along the height from vertex A. So here I have cut the parallelogram along the height. Now this piece, that is a rectangular piece, or it is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle. So cut that right angled triangle and join here. Join here that right angled triangle. So observe that diagram. Now it becomes a diagram of, very good, it is a rectangle. So it is a diagram of rectangle, and now it is easy to find the formula for area of the parallelogram. Now formula area of parallelogram, it is same as area of this rectangle. Okay, and we have known previously the formula for area of rectangle. So area of parallelogram, it is equal to area of a rectangle. You know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now length of this rectangle is, length of the rectangle is equal to this base of the base of the parallelogram. Again, this length of the rectangle is equal to, is same as the base of the parallelogram. So length is equal to base of the parallelogram. And now breadth of the rectangle, this is the breadth of the rectangle, and breadth of the rectangle is equal to, yes, it is the height of the parallelogram. So base into height. So it is the formula of area of parallelogram. Therefore area of a parallelogram, it is equal to base into height. Okay, now you got the formula. Okay, very good. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, now next, let us solve some examples based on area of parallelogram. First example, base of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Then find its area. So write formula first. Formula of area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram, it is equal to base into height. It is equal to, so base of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height of the parallelogram, very good, 5 centimeter. 8 into 5, that is 40. So 40 square centimeter is the area of that parallelogram. Okay, now next example. Now second example is given here. Area of a parallelogram is 112 square centimeter and base of the parallelogram is 10 centimeter. Then find its height. So again write the formula for area of a parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is given here. It is 112 square centimeter. Base is given here, that is 10, and height is not given, so it is unknown. Let us assume the height is h. Therefore h is equal to 112 divided by 10, and therefore h is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So height of the parallelogram 11.2 centimeter. Okay, do you understand it? Okay, now on the basis of the formula of area of a parallelogram, you have to solve the practice set 15.1. okay, and ask if any difficulty to your subject teacher. Thank you.